Hi everyone, today we are tapping on receiving more money. If it's ever felt stressful or unpredictable for you, this video is going to help shift your nervous system into a state where abundance feels natural and it flows easy, you feel supported, and you know that abundance is meant for you. So let's get into it. Okay, let's settle and let's take a few deep breaths. Hand on your heart. Let's do in for 4, hold for 4, out for 6. Take 3 of these on your own or however many feels good. Tap or I tap, say what I say. Even if receiving money has felt scary or unpredictable before, I am open to changing that now. Even if part of me still doubts that money can come easily, I'm willing to believe something new now. Even if I've struggled with money in the past, today I choose a different relationship. And no matter what, I deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Deep breath. I haven't always felt safe receiving money. I've doubted if money would show up for me. I've believed that I have to struggle to deserve money. I've carried around money fear that's not even mine. I've feared losing money as soon as I got it. I've really worried that I wouldn't be supported by money or the universe. I've expected that money has to be hard. And I'm acknowledging that honestly now. I've been afraid that I wouldn't have enough. And I've really questioned my ability to create wealth in my life. I felt unprepared for more abundance. I've lived with money anxiety my whole life. I can feel how really deeply that lives in my body. I've carried that weight alone for a really long time. But I've been doing the best I can with what I know. And maybe, just maybe, I'm opening to learning a new way. Carrying around this money fear has been exhausting. My body has learned to brace every time I think about finances. I've held tension around money without even realizing it. I lived with worry that I wouldn't be supported. I've struggled because that's what's familiar to me. This money fear is keeping me small and cautious, maybe even stuck. It really has shaped how I show up in my life. And I'm ready to put that down now. I see how I've closed myself off from receiving. I see how I've expected the worst before anything has even happened yet. I see how much I've braced for disappointment in my life. I see that I've stayed in survival mode out of habit. I see how I've tried to protect myself by limiting myself. And where I've blocked my own flow without even meaning to. I can feel how ready I am to change all of this. And I am choosing a new experience with money now. Because maybe, just maybe, it's safe to receive money now. Maybe I don't have to brace for the worst anymore. Maybe I'm safe receiving more than enough. Maybe support really is available to me. And maybe I don't have to fear wealth or being wealthy. Maybe my body is learning something new right now. Maybe abundance can feel calm and grounded and natural for me. Maybe receiving money can actually feel good. It feels safe to receive money now. And it feels safe to hold more than I've ever had. It is safe to trust that money supports me and will show up for me in my life. It's safe to let money show up in unexpected ways, in miraculous ways, in fun ways. It feels safe to be financially secure. It feels safe to welcome abundance. And it feels safe to receive and have way more than enough. I can feel my body unclenching around money. I can feel myself breathing easier as I imagine receiving more than I need. And I can feel space opening where that fear used to live. I can feel a calm curiosity replacing old money tension. I can feel my system learning what safety around money looks like. I can feel my energy softening around money. Finally. I can feel my body saying yes. I can feel myself becoming open to wealth. And I can feel myself aligning with the frequency of receiving more money. I can feel myself expanding into more possibilities. I can feel the ease of money coming towards me, rushing towards me even. I can feel myself welcoming abundance without fear. I can feel support just gathering around me, rushing into me. I feel myself stepping into a greater capacity. And I can feel myself holding more than I ever have. I can feel the truth that receiving money is safe now. I am safe now. And I am becoming someone who feels safe with money. I'm becoming someone who expects support. Maybe I can be someone who trusts their ability to create wealth in their life. Maybe I am someone who can receive without fear. I am someone who can allow abundance in. And I am someone who treats wealth like it's normal. It is normal for me. I'm someone who creates stability from the inside out. And I'm the version of me who money flows to easily, effortlessly. Support is my new baseline. And receiving is part of my rhythm now. Holding more money feels easier than ever, better than ever. Wealth feels like something I can actually sustain now. And I am someone who trusts money to stay. And I am someone who expects abundance and ease over struggle. I trust myself to hold and to grow what I receive. I trust myself with money. I'm settling into a wealth identity, a money story that finally fits. Deep breath. Hand on your heart. I am safe to receive money now. I'm open, I'm supported, and I'm ready. Hope you guys have a great day and make plenty of money.